Algorand is pumping like crazy today, over 13% at the time of recording. And you can see, based on these two green volume bubbles, a little one right here too, we are getting a ton of whale volume into the market as we speak. In this video, I'm talking to you about how you can catch the top so you can either short Algorand, or what I prefer to do is get ready for the next drop and potential entry opportunity. Buying the bottom of these areas are going to help you maximize your profit on the way back up, especially as we're beginning to transfer from the bear market into the bull market. The readings are simple from the volume bubbles and the EMA Distance Analyzers. These are extremely powerful indicators, and we're giving them at a massive discount to our members. On top of that, members get access to our brand new future forecast episode posted earlier this week, talking about risk management strategies for the end of the bear market. We're trading Algorand USD on the daily time frame with the volume bubbles and the EMA Distance Analyzer. Guys, the volume bubbles is very simple. It takes volume data from your exchange. This is on-chain data, and it plots it with certain sized bubbles. The more volume in the market, the larger the bubble is, and it's actually weighted towards whale buy power. So if you see a large volume bubble like this in the green, it means there is a lot of whale buy volume in the market, and it could be a good place to enter, even if it's just the short term. From there, the EMA Distance Analyzer uses a series of bars to show you very easily how far the price itself is away from the exponential moving average. Now, this defaults to a value of 20 EMA length, and you can, of course, adjust that to your needs. For our purposes, though, 20 is absolutely perfect. What I want you to watch for as the price increases is a large red bubble. You're going to notice that these correlate to larger moves in the market, and that's where you need to be really careful, and why I'm personally not looking to enter on this move up. The other confirmation of a move down incoming is this large spike in the EMA Distance Analyzer. The farther you are above the EMA, the more likely the price is to snap back down. And the opposite is true. The farther below you are the EMA, the more likely it is for the price to snap back up to match the same level. So as this continues higher and higher, the second we see a candle close below this candle here, this is where we're looking for a potential exit if you're already in Algorand, an entry of a short trade, or just time to get ready for an entry on the way back down. In order to catch an entry, we just want to see another green volume bubble, and we want to see these pink, purple, whatever color you want to call it. You want to see this bright pink towards the bottom. You want to see a large move down, ideally towards a value of around -10, but lower is okay. Whenever you see a peak, the next time you see another bar lower, or at least closer to the midline than the previous one was, this could be a great place to enter. We saw that happen right on this line. This was actually the exact entry time before the move up, and the volume bubbles acted as a confirmation before a major move to the upside. We're going to see this repeatedly right here. Long bar, slightly shorter bar, green volume bubble, move up. Long bar, shorter bar, green bubble, we got to move up. And in the bottom of the previous bear market in 2022, this is honestly one of the easiest way to make short-term trades in the market. So if you're a day trader or a short-term scalper, these indicators are for you, and they are very cheap, available to our members at a massive discount. All you need to do to access them is head into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is going to be the second link, and on this page, you can sign up for 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. On our AI indicator page, if you head down to the volume bubbles, we're giving you $150 off. Just reveal the coupon code there. $50 to save $150, easy. Check out on Gumroad. I want this. What you're going to have to do from here is head back to the Trade Confident portal page, add the EMA Distance Analyzer right here for $149, add to cart, throw in your membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that future forecast episode. Don't miss out.